We've again hit the road after a long gap due to COVID and lockdown. This time we are going to Tajpur, a quiet sea beach between Digha and Mandarmoni. And this time we are in two cars. Amit and Obhijit, my two cousins, are here with us. And let's see how it unfolds. The second Hooghly Bridge, or the Vidyasagar Setu. The sight of this wonderful bridge always makes me feel happy, as if it welcomes me for another vacation. Like every other time, we stopped at Azad Hind Dhaba for our breakfast.
Don't make food. No.
Except my cousin Amit, everybody else opted for aloo paratha. The speciality of it here is that they bake the parathas in tandoor and then drop a blob of butter on it to make it yum. All of us were in a happy mood and kept yapping among ourselves while waiting for our food to come. We travelled in two cars, wherein the cousins were in our car and the spouses were in this white Innova in front of us. Crossing Kolaghat Bridge over Rupnarayan River, and there we can see the railway bridge running parallel to us. What a fantastic view of the greenery around. Nature at its best. We drove along with the agricultural fields on both sides of the road and the village markets appearing at distances. Planning our activities while driving.
Basta will not be too late.
I think 4:30 hole better.
No, maybe sunset ta kota hai.
Sunset hobe around 6ish.
Around 6.
ওখানে গেলাম একটু শাকে বসলাম মানে একটু জাস্ট মানে হ্যাং অ্যারাউন্ড অ্যাকচুয়ালি আজকে আমি শাকে বসতে চাইছিলাম না বিকজ অফ বাবি
না আজকে আর কিছু ম্যাক্সিমাম একটু চা খেতে পারি আমরা কালকে তো আমরা ব্রেকফাস্টে পরে যাবো নাকি
হ্যাঁ Suddenly it started raining and made our journey more romantic. From Balisai Tajpur More on Digha Highway, we turned left and were horrified to see the condition of the road. The drivers had a tough time maneuvering through the potholes and craters for the entire 4 kilometers till our resort. Reached the hotel at around 11:30 am. Hotel La Macau is one of the best in Tajpur, and we were quite impressed with the staffs and especially the way they welcomed us. It had a beautiful swimming pool which kept luring me to jump into it, but keeping COVID in mind, couldn't do that. Yeah, so we are at room number 306 and I'll take you for a room tour. This is the room. As you enter, this is the toilet. This is the cupboard and we have kept our things, knickknacks here. Here is a TV with 2 chairs and a table. This is the bed. They've also given us a tea kettle and other sachets. So here we are making coffee, and let us see the balcony also. The straight gate is the main entrance, and here we have the swimming pool which we can see from here. Alongside are the cottages. However, we are in the main hotel building on the second floor. This is the view from the second floor, and it looks beautiful. A small lawn here. Relaxed for some time after lunch, and then went to explore the beach around 4:30 in the evening. The beach is famous for its lal kakra or red crabs. They roam around the beach, and the moment they sense that someone is coming near, they quickly get into their hole. They are very timid in nature and they don't bite human beings, so it is safe to walk around the beach freely. The crabs are small and red in color, so if you come to the beach early in the morning, it will look as if it's a red beach. The sun has not set as yet, but it's very cloudy and looking beautiful. The weather is very pleasant and we are feeling fantastic. It's Friday today and very few tourists are here, making it look practically empty. People who don't like crowded destinations will surely like this place. I loved it as it gave me a feeling of Babka Beach. Tried to capture the red crabs in my lens, but it kept running away.
Lots of red crabs.
Lots of them, especially that side. আমরা বেরিয়ে এলে ওরা এতে চলে আসতে আবার বেরোবে এলে না তো
We started walking towards the Mohona, where a small river has come from the left and met the sea. Beyond the Mohana, across the river, is Mandarmuni Beach. I will zoom in a little here so that you can see it properly. There you are. That land you can see is Mandarmuni. So Tajpur and Mandarmuni are situated side by side like brothers in arms. Ultimately got into a shack not to have crab masala or maj bhaja, but to have some tea.
But chicken is for cutting or what?
কি বললো
It's time to go back to our hotel as our Adda session awaits there. This is the dining hall, and this is a banquet hall, and this is the main hotel building. In the evening night, it's decorated like this, lightened up like this. Quite a nice place actually. Let's show you our breakfast menu. Okay, there are fruits here, sprouts, cornflakes and milk, arrangement for toast, jam and butter, boiled egg and boiled vegetables. Here we have luchis, chana to have it with luchi, and poha, and lastly the sambar and chutney, plus eggs to order. We then went to Old Digha, where we had crabs for lunch at Shoikatabash, and let me tell you that the crab masala was something to die for. Hanged around the beach pavement for quite some time, simply loved it. Returning home to our daily busy schedule after a beautiful weekend.